and welcome to my channel. I struggle with many browsers open in my Google Chrome. It's a nightmare. It's a mess. So I found out about this Google Chrome extension, but it never worked for me and I couldn't figure it out. Finally, I went digging. I've got the solution. I'm here to help. I'm gonna help you group and organize your tabs. Let's dive in.
Okay, so Google has come out with this awesomeness. Let's take a look. If you go to your tab, you right click it, you have add to new group. This is my new group and I can put new tabs in there as I open them up. I like to have one tab, I have it for school. That's my work. And I usually like it red, just reminds me this is your school folder. And then when I open up more tabs, I can just push that in there. Now they're both in the red group. Now this one I want another group, and this is going to be my personal. So I click on that dot again, and this is my personal. I like blue. So now when I want stuff in my personal, there we have it. These tabs are in my personal. As you add tabs, you just drop them into the right group that you want them in, or don't group them at all. This is very beneficial if you're in a meeting, you need to share your screen. I know I'm going to share my work folders. I'm not going to share my personal folders. So my family and friends, and no, it has to be my work stuff. So it really helps to keep everything organized. If yours doesn't show up right there when you right click, should be right there, add new groups. If it doesn't show up, what you do is you go into the browser and you type in Chrome // flags # tab - groups. In here, you can enable it. So if yours isn't working, this is where you go. I'll put a comment in the description with the link that you need to type in, this Chrome flags tab groups. Enable it. Once it's enabled, then you'll be working perfectly. Hope this was helpful.
How would you group them? I grouped them personal and work or school. What groups would you have? Give me some suggestions. I'm just curious. Maybe I can get even more organized than I already have. This has been life-changing right here. I'm telling you. Oh, thank you, Google. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please make sure you like and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified every week when I upload new content. When I find new things, I'm going to be sharing them with you. Also, don't forget to share it if somebody else needs help grouping their tabs and getting a little more organized in this chaotic world we are currently living in. Bye. Step out and don't forget, be uniquely wonderful you. Have a good day.